Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, today I'm with a bit different video. Well, I'm just making an incubator for the eggs. So I bought a controller and I thought to make a video that how to just set the parameters of this controller. You can also use it for the heaters and you can also use it for the fans. uh, you can use in both conditions, that either you want to just control the high temperature or the low temperature. It depends on your application. In my application I have to maintain a temperature of 37.5 degrees. So right now let's start from where we have to do it. When you just receive the controller, you will have this kind of thing. This is the port. It is written 12 volt and this is ground. Now you will come to this and see that this is a 12 volt. I have kept 11.6 volt. It's equal to, you can say that, 12 volt. Well, let's start setting the parameter. Now we will go to the first parameter is either you want to use it as a heater or as a cooler. You can also, for heater you will set the H, for cooler you will set this as a Q. Well, for setting this you will just press the set button for 3 to 4 seconds. Like 4 seconds it appears the P0. The P0, for setting the P0 you will click the set button. Either you have to use it as a heater or a cooler. You see the relay LED has been just stopped because I've changed my application. Now I'm changing it back to the heater. Well, we will set it to heater. Now we will go to the P2. That is P2. By pressing this we can go into above programs. This is P1. The P1 is basically, you see that P1, it is 0.5. This means that this is a relay active gap. You can say that if you have set a 37.5 degrees, when it is just reached 37.5 degrees, the relay will be off, the bulb will be off, the heater will be off. And I have kept this gap to 0.5. Then which means that when my temperature again become to 37.5, it will not on the heater. When it will just come to 37 degrees, then it will on the heater again. So this is the purpose of setting the P1. Now let me show you that what is the I have set the P1 to 0.5. okay. Now what is the P2? P2 basically is a max temperature range you can set. I have kept it 40. You can keep it anything else. Okay. Now the P3. We going to P3. P3 is the least temperature you can set. It is 35. I've kept 35. It also shows some, in some controllers show like in minus values. You can see that this is minus, so you will go to the plus value. It is all depend on your application. 35. Okay. Now in P.4 you will set 0.0. just set it. And on P5 just set 0, just set it. And on P6 just turn it off. Okay, then you will just leave it. It will come back to the particular the temperature sensor. This is a sensor we have this with. Now the current temperature we have is 34.2 degrees. Now in my case I am setting the I'm maintaining the 37.5 degrees. ठीक है, okay, to be maintained, okay. So now for setting the maintain temperature, you will click the set button once. You will change the temperature you want. Here I want 37.5, so I set it. As long I set it, I just got the 34.4, which is the current temperature of the sensor. Now what was the P2 and the P3? It was that, like, this is a P3, the P3 P2 we said was 40, so we cannot go above 40. For this purpose we use the P2 and P3. The P3 was 35, so here is we cannot go back to 35, to less than 35. Okay, so this was the purpose we set the uh, okay, set it. Okay, now this is this LED shows that the relay is on, and let me show you it by the multimeter. Keep the multimeter on the continuity. It is showing the short. Well, now let's bring, here you can see the 35. When I will bring it, the temperature will rise 35.1, and as it reach 37.5, the relay will be off. Now see, the relay has been off, and it will be off until it reaches back the as 37 degrees, because I kept P1 to be 0.5. Now see that the relay is now off, and it is not showing continuity. As it reaches 37.0, the relay will be on. Relay is on, the meter is on. So this was all things today. If you have an issue, you can contact me. Thank you.